Okay. 10 seconds, baby. I'm closing this shit. I ain't fucking playing. I ain't playing. I'm closing this shit.
Hey, be right back. The hobby calls. The other boring job hobby.
That's what I'm talking about, dude.
How much you up in them?
So I'm up $50 on. I bought them for 8. I'm selling them for, or no, I need to sell these, man. These are out of the money. I need to sell these. So I bought it for $8, up $20. So I just made $20 on these. I'm actually sell probably like one more of these just in case. But I'm gonna let these 5, 10 puts, I'm gonna let them run. Pay myself. Actually, what the fuck did I just do? Did I just buy these? Dude, I just bought this. I just wasted fucking money. All right, man. Okay, so I'm gonna let one run. I'm gonna take off 2 right here. I bought 4, so I'm gonna take off 2 of these. Taking 2 of these off because these shit up. These shit's up $30. So I'm about to pay my fucking self. There we go, baby. Gonna let the rest of this shit run. Actually, no. Well, yeah. I've almost tripled this account. I've almost tripled this account. Tripled this account so far. I started off with $500 and now I'm up 12, yo. Shit's crazy. With 0 DTE, only risking $8. Just trading the charts, baby. That's all I do. Just trade the charts. Man, these sure are dead. Man, these are dead. I might just sell these. I bought these just in case as a hedge. So I kind of knew these was gonna lose. I knew these was gonna lose, but I bought them as a hedge. So just get take my dollar back. That's fine. I'll take the loss. That win I just made. Yeah, that'll definitely cover this. And I'll leave one just in case. Just in case we do just get a bounce up to 520 out of damn nowhere, dude. All right, so I'm basically de-risked out of this whole trade. Shit, I'm up already $160 on the day. Trading 0 DTE SPY fucking puts. What's up, Raven? What's up? I just lost $10 of value in these. All right, so let's see if I'm gonna get my. Let's see if I'm gonna get it. Like I said, I'm gonna hold these. I honestly I should just close. Actually, I will close this because we might not even get to close to 508, and I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close it, dude. I'm gonna close it. That's fine. I'm gonna close that. But I will let these run. I think we can get close to 510. If these get close, that means that these will be in the money. Damn. All right, so I've already made 45K on my Top Step X account this morning, unfortunately. So what I can do, what I will do, is just trade another account, I guess.
Yo, Bookmap has been key these past like 2 days. Like if you'd have looked at it in the pre-market and saw these different orders, clutch. It hit basically almost every single one of them except this 250 level. But came close enough. Like I said, I'll front run it like 20, 30 points. That's fine. With the NQ.
Yo, honestly, I would not try to short this though. You know, I'm actually probably go short. Let me look at this real quick because we had a massive move down. That's why I hurried up. Hurried up. That's why I was rushing to sell my puts because I was like, man, we're gonna probably get a bounce, but um, uh, but I think we go down for the rest of the day because we got this massive push down. We're in this area where price can be sold. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually going to, so I'm just gonna put 3 micro contracts on this. I'm gonna put 3 micro contracts at the bottom of this. These are micros, people. Actually, this is ES because I really don't. I've made my money this morning. I've made it already, unfortunately, off stream. So, I'm thinking. You know what? Fuck it, man. Fuck it. Nah. We can't do that. You can't say fuck it, man. Can't do that. So we're gonna sell 3. Price fails here. Actually, yeah, I'll just do half a contract. I'll just do half a contract. Okay. But I'm thinking we can possibly get up back into this area right here, probably at the top of this range. We'll see. We'll see what we can get, unless they fail here. If they fail here, then I think we're possibly going to 168 because I got 168 on my chart and I see 168 on Bookmap. So we might be touching 168. And actually, let me set the alarm real quick on TradingView for SPY. Let me set it because I think my 5-10 puts can hit today. I think they can hit. Price is crossing. Let's just say I'll sell this at $11 or 12. I want to know when it gets to 12. 12.
Yeah, I mean, because we were just at it's crazy. We was just in 18100s, you know, starting off yesterday, pump all the way back to 500, which is just insane.
Yeah,
all the way back to 500, and then we all the way back down to we made it to the 200s on NQ. They trying to hold 300, but I think that's getting cracked.
Yeah, it will. Dude, it says Sherman has a taste for ES. It's like he's got a new girlfriend. She my new bitch now. Fuck NQ. This is ES Anonymous now, baby. I'm just playing.
All right, you gonna go to NQ? She gonna remember what you said. She gonna do you dirty.
Hey, yo, baby, I was just playing. I was just playing. You know, it was a joke.
That 50 Cent meme. What do you say F me for? What do you say F me for? Yeah, okay, F me, huh? All right.
Oh, my bad,
Give me
Jonathan.
stops.
My bad. I'm at 4,500. I already made that this morning. What I should have did was trade that across all my damn accounts. That's what I should have did. Actually, I probably might take, if it fails, then I'll take it. If it fails, I'll take it. It looks like it's going to fail here, but I'll take it. But yeah, we talked about this in last night's NA meeting, man. The way that let's go back to what we talked about yesterday. Everybody was like, yo, this is going short. I was like, man, look, y'all got to pay attention to this price action. The bulls on that crazy short squeeze up, the bulls did not fail, but it wasn't really the bulls. It was the bears failing. It was the bears becoming buyers, buying this shit up. And the price action was just telling me that just to stay in my long. Now, I did go in short. I did get that short, but when I saw that the bulls were still trying to get this, I was like, let me close this shit. Let me keep going long. Y'all know I was down 3K yesterday. Y'all know I was down 3K. You know your boy was up 1,300. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. I was up. I was down 3K and made that shit back. So I was like, man, this shit is like, it just kept going. And then once I saw that it started out like at 50, I was like, you know what? This probably might be the short. Now I did get like at the end of the day, I did catch that short, but then I was like, nah, this shit ain't done. So as soon as the market opened, I went short. So whatever the market opened at, that's where I was short at. I got the screenshot. I'll post it later, but yeah, wherever the market opened at. So at 7 o'clock. So yeah, so I think I got in around 47. I was in at 47, 45-ish in this area, and I was sitting in this long all day or short. But here's the crazy thing. I slept like a baby last night. I was like, this ain't the NQ. I know that shit ain't gonna just run up randomly and then stop me out and go down. Now, if this was an NQ, I wouldn't even put the trade on. I wouldn't have put the trade on. I was like, yeah, nah, I'll just wait. And then in that, I missed it. But I was like, dog, there's no way that this shit is going up high. We had this massive move up. You can see, like, this is what I was looking at yesterday. The bears kept trying to push it past the 21 EMA and just couldn't. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to hold my longs until they do. And it was scary. Well, it wasn't scary. It was, what's the word I'm looking for? It makes you hold your breath. I wasn't concerned. I was taking a risk. I was gambling. So that emotion you feel when you're gambling, that's what I was feeling. I was like, ah, shit, this might be it. This might be it. But I was like, nah, that shit it didn't break the 21 yet. It didn't break down yet. We're trending up. So I was like, I'm just going to hold. And you know, I held this shit all the way up to the top, baby. And then once I saw it double top, and I was like, it ain't getting past this shit. So I went short. I caught this short towards the end of the day. And I was mad because I had to close it because I had my target sitting at like, I think like 27 or some shit. Yeah, I had my target sitting at 27 because I thought we was going to get a drop to 27. But obviously we didn't get that shit. We didn't get it. But you said, who am I taking to prom? I'm taking both of them. I'm going to have the ES on my left hand, and I'm going to have the NQ on my right. And that's how we going to do that shit. We taking both of them to the prom. And they're going to be happy that they can. They're going to be happy. Both of them going to be happy. So, yeah, we know about the other girl. We don't care, though.
Jealous of each other?
I mean, they're going to be jealous of my attention, but they know. It says both of y'all.
Oh, that's funny.
It's both of y'all. It's like we share over here. Sharing is caring, baby. Sharing is caring, baby. That's how you show you care. By sharing. It says ES makes tea, showers, come back, and then move one tea. Take yep. I mean, I'm not afraid of the ES. I've never been afraid of ES. That's probably why. Well, that is why I don't trade her. She's not challenging. I mean, if you can kind of understand price action, you understand the context of the market, you can kind of trade her. She's not challenging. And Q, on the other hand, she does all those things, but she's so random. It's just, well, it's not that it's random. It's just that she'll, how do I explain it? She'll move, but then she'll have a random retracement all the way back to your break even. And while in an emotional state, you can be at 2K depending on how heavy you are. And then to see that 2K just randomly disappear in a few seconds, that's what makes trading the NQ just kind of the ES. I mean, once she goes in one direction, she's going in that direction. I mean, it's kind of easy to trade her. Her and CL are both easy. During that run up with the NQ, I looked at the ES chart and saw that she didn't run up. I mean, she ran up, but she didn't run up the way the NQ did. Yeah, I think they might actually fail here, actually. They might fail here. It's looking like They're having a hard time in this area. Oh yeah, NQ, yeah, dude, NQ. Like that one day when I went completely tilt, when I said that she missed it by a tick and she crashed down. Yeah, I went completely tilt that day. Completely tilt. I might take this. I might take. Actually, I will take this, but I'm gonna do 3 micro contracts. I think they might fail here.
We got news coming up. Thank you, Moxie, for the reminder. We got some Michigan 5-year inflation expectations, 1-year inflation expectations, consumer sentiment, and consumer stuff
Okay.
from Michigan. Coming up at the top of the hour.
15 more minutes, baby. 15 more minutes. 15. So let's look at the volume since we're gonna probably get this chop. Probably gonna get this chop. But yeah, I came back from a 30. I appreciated that pump yesterday because I came back from a 3K loss, almost hit daily loss or hit maximum loss limit on FFF or MFF. And I heard y'all say that people on MFF be asking for people's money in the payouts. That's crazy though.
Yeah. Moxie said that they be asking people for money in the Discord.
That's crazy. They don't even do that I have yet to see that in Top Step. I don't be in Apex Discord, but that's crazy.
Oh, Apex Discorded up now?
Yeah, they've had one for a while.
Oh, I thought they was only stuck with Facebook groups.
Nah.
They do Facebook like that, so.
Nah, they got a Discord. So I don't know. Wall Street Best Discord is not popping either. I mean, so actually, I might actually take this 520 short. I might actually take this short up here. I might take this 3 micro contracts just to test it out. I've already made my money, people. All right, so yeah, I mean, we've got relatively good volume today, man. Relatively good volume. I mean, obviously the Nasdaq has a $230 range, so that means that it's moved 230 points today. The ES moved about 54 points, which is really good for her. Yeah, so I mean, we good for today, but let's see. I might take this short at 220. I want to see what happens. I'm gonna take this. Take this short.
Yeah, I was about to hop in long, maybe try to catch the anticipation before the news.
Uh-huh.
But I just changed my mind. Changed my mind on this. I mean, I could walk away on the day. I'm up 850 on the evals.
Are you?
Yeah, I wasn't really. I mean, I should have held this just here, this short, but I wasn't really focusing on her too much.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, well, why make it in the eval if I could make it in my live account?
Oh yeah, congratulations on paying yourself today, man. Congratulations.
Yeah, appreciate that.
Congratulations, man. That's what this channel is about, baby. That's what it's about. That's what it's about.
Ryan, no, not for a few months. I'm out here working, so I won't have my camera up here, but I'll have it when I get back home.
I'm gonna try this short out. Actually, why didn't? That's like, why? I'm in micros, people. I'm in micros. Micros. For all you copycats, I'm in micros. I'm gonna try this short out. I'm gonna try it. This is a great area to short. Because I think we touching these lows, man. We breaking these lows. We breaking these shit. because I don't believe
Yes.
that. Oh, go ahead.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I know I'm saying I don't believe that we pump back up after that drop. I don't think so. What you about to say?
I was just kind of gonna explain what made me hold um, my shorts. Cause hold on one second.
I guess we'll tune in next time to hear why Smith held his shorts. Uh,
I keep telling them to leave me alone. I'm trying to trade.
I'm trying to work here, guys. Leave me the hell alone.
Right. Nah, but I was gonna explain why I held my freaking short. And I was telling them early, like I missed the optimal entry because I had to freaking leave.
Uh-huh.
But I had an average of being short at, I think it was, I want to say 466 or 469, one of those two.
Mm-hmm.
And I was looking at the King push chart, and I was and Bookmap. I mean, I was looking at a bunch of stuff. Bookmap, King push, and Bookmap kind of gave me the confidence to keep holding, even though it took like 3 hours to work out. But I'll wait 3 hours for for the reward.
Yeah, shit, I waited all night for mine.
Oh, how many contracts did you put? So did you do like what, one mini, or did you do micros? Well,
No, I wasn't minis. I
how
wasn't
many
minis.
did you put on?
3. I only had 3 on. Yeah, and I caught like shit,
That's
like
pretty good.
yeah. Crazy thing is, yeah, I caught this. So like I said, I caught about because my target was at like 09 or something, like somewhere in here. I think it was like at like 9 or something. And during this retracement, so you saw how close it got. My target was right here. You saw how close it got. I was like, fuck. Ah.
I was just asking earlier in the chat. I was like, I wonder if he held through that retracement, because that retracement was huge on NQ. I'm like, I didn't check ES to see how big of a retracement it was.
Man, that shit, dude. I was like, dude. As soon as I saw that, man, I added. I was pissed, yo. I added to that shit. I added to that. Yo. But I was like, no, I think I'm good because I was like, I think they're trying to protect these highs, these swing highs. And since they're not going for no money, no more money up here, this is where all the money is, yo. This is where all the money is, baby. This is where all the money is. I think we're getting a 60, yo. 60, 65, 60. All the money is right here. So that's where I got my eyes towards. I ain't going long. I'm not going long until it hits like 60, and I think this is where we'll probably see a bounce. But it does make sense why the market is selling off because we all know it's happening next week. We all know. We all know it's earnings season, baby. These big institutions trying to get these discounted prices for earnings next week. So, I mean, a lot of these things are going to de-risk. They're going to take off their profits. The stock is going to go down. They're going to be at a discounted price, so they can be bought right back up during earnings. You know how this game is played. This shit don't change. You know how the game is played, baby, and it don't change. But yeah, we need a blast. We need a blast off this. We need a blast. But there is an area at 188 on Bookmap. I think this will be an area where we do see them come up because I see it on Bookmap and I see why that people got their orders sitting right here. I think they're going to be used as liquidity, but they do got some orders sitting at 188, 187. So at least we know that that's where the market is going to try to go towards to try to tap into that. Yeah. Yes, we got 5 minutes until the show. If you're in an entry, you're not confident with it, I would suggest you close it. Consider. But I do think that this goes down. I don't think this. I mean, it could shoot up. I mean, who knows, man? But I think right now the move is to the downside, or at least for right now. And so Jonathan says that the funded trader is doing a deal this month. The funded or my funded trader? Are you talking about my funded futures? Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. It is my funded futures if that's what you're referring to. Yeah, they're doing a 50% or a $50 deal on their starters. You are scaled. But honestly, I mean, initially I didn't like it, but then when I sat down and thought about it, I'm gonna trade that way when I become, well, I'm already funded, but what I'm waiting for with Top Step is for them to do that micro to mini equivalent. That's what I'm waiting for because I'm not trading on stream with minis. I'm not doing that because I do get reckless and I don't want to blow the damn account as soon as I get it because I know how reckless I get. I'm not like Smith. He takes his profits. I won't. So I know myself. Yeah, 188, 180 is a good spot, but I'm thinking they're going to take this down to 167. It's on my chart. The book map is clutch. I don't know what that line is. I don't know what that line is. You can kind of guess, though. Yeah, S&P. All right, so let's look at my options. I'm almost there, baby. Let's see if we can get these in the money. These are my only two contracts. I'm willing to let these run. I've paid myself today. I've only spent $8 on both of these. So, I mean, obviously the profits, you lose the profits as well, but I've only spent $8 on these. So, all in all, if these don't go in the money, the most I lose is $16 for real, for real, for real, for real. But I bought these puts at close yesterday because of that massive move up that we saw. I was thinking to myself, I was like, there's no way that price was going to go up. I did hedge my position just in case we had a big pump at open and then a dump. But obviously, those contracts lost its value. I only spent $8 on those as well, so I was able to get 80 cents back from that. So um, it's not a big deal. It wasn't a big loss. I'm up $155 so far. If price can move more into the money, I'm pretty sure I can possibly get these up to at least $1. But we'll see. But we will see. All right. We got a few more seconds until the news, so yeah, you can basically just Hold on, did this shit just limit down? I was like, was price just stuck? Hmm. Yeah, if that's the case. Yeah, I'll probably get to like 15 or something. 19, 15. Mm. Okay. All right. You just gotta be patient for it, I guess. Gotta be patient for it. Yeah, they're definitely, yeah, it looks like they're definitely trying to take it down to at least 80 or 90. But I think this fails, honestly. Like I said, I think we're going to 60. I think I canceled those. Yeah, what's up, Mick? What's up? What's up, Mick? Mick, no loving. Mm. Let's look at the NQ, man. 'Cause this shit ain't even moving for real. Yes. All right, so let's look at the tilt. Let's see what everybody else is doing. So in this situation, I'm gonna be with the tilt. Actually, let me refresh this because this might be wrong. Okay, so this is right. It says only 48% is long right now on the S&P, and 52% is short. I'm actually going to stay on the short side with this one. And right now, 56% of traders, top step traders, is long on the NQ, and 44% is short. I find it interesting that anybody would want to long this. Price is definitely trending down, and it's one of them slow grind downs too. So I can see why people are buying here at this range, at this trading range. You can see that there's support. There's already buying in this area. You have that breaker structure at this range. You got your retest and your launch higher. So I can see why they're trying to buy it, but I think all the buyers are about to get their stops ran in, just like that right there. Yeah, all the buyers can get their stop ran in this area. Let's go back to the news. Says, yeah, make that as true. Don't inverse a Sherm. You'll find out. You will find out if you inverse a Sherm. Now, if you're on the ES, I mean, you might get a push back up into this area, but I think overall, this is going down. We are in an area where buyers has been. Let me actually just mark it on the chart instead of just talking about it. We are in this area right here. You can see that there's buyers in this area. So we might get price to push through all this, or you might get a bounce up and then, a range. Who knows? And looking on Bookmap, it seems like these buyers are getting ate up. Yeah, you can see it. They're getting ate up right now. They're getting ate up. But I can understand why people are buying in this area, though. This is a great area to buy. If the context wasn't that we just hit major supply and price is getting shorted down. Nick says 215. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I would agree with that. That's a great area right there. We can definitely see them stop right here. We can definitely see a bounce here. Possibly, like if price gets to 215, we can possibly see a bounce right back up to like 260, 275. So you'll probably see like a 60-point jump if price gets to this area right here. Oh yeah, somewhere in this area, we may see that. Get spot real quick. Shit, I'm 3 points away from my puts being in the money, baby. Let's look to see where they're at. They're at $50. $50. $50. That's great. Yeah, once I saw that, I should have just went in. That's crazy, like, 'cause this is still like, this is still popcorn. Well, I mean, I guess it's not really that. It's not really that. Yeah, run these stops. Just run the stops. Show these bulls it's a bear market now, baby. Show these bulls is now a bear market. We in a bear market. Actually, let's see what the data said. We actually didn't even look at that. We did not look at see what they said. It says White House would not comment on reports of imminent Iran. Okay. I mean, I'm pretty sure that could be another reason why, people are selling out of their positions and crude is going up. So University of Michigan sentiment prelims said it was actually, so I'm assuming this came below expectation. I'm not too familiar with this document, with this report, but just looking at it, it appears that it came under expectation. Let's look at that. Let's see what comes up. It says economic conditions, sentiment. Yeah, over the weekend, I'll probably do some studying on this report so I can speak confidently about this. But I have no clue what this is. Trading the NQ, I would ignore this, but the S&P, it seems like a lot of these data points with the S&P, it affects S&P more. So now I have to actually pay attention to this stuff. So yeah, I'm assuming it came under expectation. I'm assuming that's bad. I'm assuming it is. So it says 5-year inflation. Let's see. Let's see if we can find it. The market's not really doing anything. This is grinding down. Uh, okay. All right. So this report covers three broad areas. So personal finance, business condition, and buying conditions. So obviously that's basically the economy. It says the data shows a picture of whether or not consumers are willing to spend money, which, I mean, we talked about that yesterday. A key factor as a consumer spending is a major driver of the U.S. economy. So it's saying a generally high reading is bullish, while a low reading is bearish. So I wonder if let's look at Dixie real quick. Damn, yo, 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 yo. Yo, that's crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. You know the NQ going down if this shit going up. You know the NQ is going down if the dollar is going up. Hmm. Hold on. Okay. Hey Smith, are you still trading this? Hmm. That would be nice. Five 12, 512-ish. No. No. Dude, no. Dude, no. No. We don't want to see a gold chart. No, I don't think that shit does that. I don't think we do that. Yeah, at that point. Yeah, I see why people just take big risk. I see it. I see it. Yeah, I mean, I see it. I see it though. So, if you're in this short, I would highly recommend to protect your position. It might go back to your break even. Looks like they're trying to find support here. You can see that they've already double bottomed right here, but we'll see. Just be mindful that price may retrace. It may retrace. Oof. And wait for these bulls to fail. If these bulls fail here, we're definitely going down. Well, I mean, obviously we're going to go down, but I'm thinking we're going to touch in this area right here. We're sweeping these lows at 77. We're sweeping these lows. Hopefully this doesn't turn into an all-day event. Hopefully. Oof. Yep, I think that was just it. I think that was just the Bulls failing. I think the Bulls just failed here, guys. Let's see. On the ES. I think the Bulls just failed on the ES. And they just failed on the Nasdaq as well. Well, actually, this candle needs to close, but yeah, it looks like they just failed on the NQ. Yep, they just failed. They just failed on the ES. They failed.
Order filled.
So I sold. Oof. So I sold, so I need to buy. Oof. Damn, yes, you definitely are born. You are born. You are born. Yeah, Alfred, man, it's just boring. Trading this instrument is boring, man. It is boring. Like I said, she don't challenge me like the NQ does. Hmm. I meant to ask, but I mean, at this point, I forgot. This is boring better than toxic. Yeah, bedtime stories. Yeah, yeah. Long term. Yeah, in the long term, yeah. In the short term, for gambling and fun, yeah, the NQ all the way. It's boring, but actually, I just saw that. I just saw that actually. I wasn't paying attention. I was not paying attention. So I do see a bunch of orders here at 95 on Bookmap, and that's on I think that's today's low, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's today's low. So I think, I mean, if they don't protect, if the Bulls don't protect this low, which they're about to soon find out that this is a bear market now, this is going to go down. Right now, price is being held off at the value area low. So they're trying to hold it, but yeah, these bulls about to become sellers. These bulls about to become sellers. There is a big block of orders here, so the bulls are trying to protect their position. They are protecting, or they're trying to attempt to protect their position. But we'll see if the bear is going to sweep them and everybody becomes sellers at this level for that flush down. The bedtime says, yeah, he's trading. Yeah, I think I might do a mix. This week, I kind of wanted to just focus on the ES, but I may actually just do both. Well, I guess it wouldn't really make sense. Probably trade both the ES and the Nasdaq, but we'll see. No. Yeah, you can see them trying to come in and buy this. They need to just let it go. Like Elsa, and let it go. That's what they need to do. Just let it go. Yeah, they probably wouldn't get it past 202, honestly. They probably wouldn't get it past that, even if they do try to pump it. And without any news, we're probably gonna get this chop until these bulls turn into sellers, and then we can get this price to go down. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about, Alfred. I might as well just let Smith handle the Nasdaq, and I'll just keep it ES and SPY over here, just to make things simple. Just to keep things simple. Hey, Alfred. So on thinking with Bookmap, what is that purple and white line? Is that like the trend? Is that buyers and sellers? What is that? What is that on the chart? Or is that the bid and the spread, or the bid and the ask? Maybe it's the bid and the ask. No, the squiggly lines that kind of looks like, is that the bid and ask? Like the squiggly lines that's on the chart that's kind of trending with price? Is that like the bid and ask? All right, looks like the buyers about to become sellers, baby. Let's go. Looks like the buyers is about to become sellers, baby. Let's go. Oh, okay. All right. Not figured. Hmm. Yeah, the buyer's about to become sellers, baby. Oh, that's compared to the NQ. Oh, okay. The buyer's about to become sellers. All right. Okay. All right, man. Okay. Yeah, Bulls, just give this up. Bears, come on. Hurry the hell up. Thank you. Thank you. Buyers become sellers. Thank you. Mm. Oh no, I'm watching the ES one. I'm watching the ES, and it seems like the ES chart has more things on it than the NQ chart. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I was wondering what that purple and white line that's squiggling down, following price. Hey Mick, you glad you got out of that long? Says okay, so the white line is ES and the purple line is okay. Okay. Oh yeah, that's actually pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm not surprised by that, honestly. I'm not surprised by that.
Order filled.
Order filled, baby. We got that first. We got that scale in. That I mean that's what kind of makes the ES, at least for me, a little bit better. I can confidently scale in without it randomly stopping me out and then going in the direction that I know it was going to go. Actually, let me look at my SPY real quick. I'm $2 away from being in the money. Let me look at these. These should have I've 10x my money. I've literally 10x my money. 10x'd it. But we're gonna let it run though. Actually, let's look at SPY real quick. Let's look at SPY. Let's look at SPY real quick. All right, so I know it's getting close. I know it's getting close to being in demand. I know it's getting close. Let's say gain weight needs a wellness check right now.
I had to come in and
Let's check hey, somebody check out gain weight. That's funny. That's funny.
Yo, y'all wilding right now. He has been silent. I ain't seen him in Monster VA stream.
Nah, he hasn't said nothing if he is, if he's in the background listening. He says, Alfred, he said I mean, I can understand that. I can definitely understand that. I can understand that. I can understand that. With the NQ, man, you just gotta have balls of steel. I mean, Brandon has showed that. You know, like you gotta sit through some drawdown. You gotta sit through some drawdown before she's like, "Oh, he's still here." All right, it's just all right.
I've tested him enough. You are worthy now to collect your points.
Dude.
Nah. Yeah, gain weight. Be talking about like he don't short or whatever, or he only longs. He probably, this man be lying to the people. He probably is short 200 contracts from the top.
So you need somebody on the other side of that trade, baby. Says be prepared for a 40-point drawdown. Yeah, we are in an area where they could bounce it. So I do not disagree. However, I think they're going to drop this into at least 70. At least 75. before we see a real bounce.
Oh, you hit that 180. Okay, you hit that 180 level.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, where y'all at? I haven't looked at a US chart. I was like, where are y'all even at right now? This could be. We're coming up on some demand though.
Yeah, that's what I was like. Yeah, we could.
Yeah. Yep. Yesterday, there was
Mm-hmm.
some range here where they started buying it up. But let me look at NQ and see. Oh, yep. Same on mine too.
Yeah, so this is an area of demand, but I'm gonna stay strong in this short because I think this is engineered liquidity at this point. We just got that run below those lows, and I think price is trying to get and touch these lows down here because ain't no point going back up. Well, let me rephrase that. When I say go up, I'm talking about like a real retracement. But they could. I mean, they could.
Yeah, same thing with NQ. We coming up on some previous demand area. So you don't trader, just be aware, be mindful of that. The King push chart rules.
It does. That
King
bitch don't lie.
Damn, if I'd have just held from the very top, I was short at 466.
Yeah, yeah.
But I had to take my profits though.
No.
That was the real account. I had to take my
No,
profits.
we take the profits in the real account. Shit, you see me? I take my profits in the real account. But when we in these simulated gambling accounts, like no, shit, we gambling. This is a slot machine, baby. This is a slot machine.
Slot machine.
We gambling, baby. Gambling. But yeah, if it's my real money, we taking profit. See, yo, price action does it again. I was like, there's no way that they're gonna bounce this, yo. They're gonna take out these lows underneath these. They're gonna take these lows out. They're gonna take this shit out. Let me make sure I'm looking at these puts.
What time is it over there? This probably gonna happen. Dang, we ain't even at 10 o'clock yet.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close one. Oh, my bad. Go ahead. At 80 cents, because I seen this shit touch 81. So I'm gonna close one. Yeah, I'm gonna close one at 80. We get to 80 cents again. That's the second time I did that. And I'm gonna leave one to run, baby. One to run. Okay, I'm gonna leave one to run because we are getting into demand, and even though I don't got the profit that I want, I guess I'm not gonna sit there and let that thing fully retrace on me. It is a 0 DTE, so I gotta kind of be cautious about that. Gotta be cautious about that. Like I said, I think they're going to 60, man. I saw the order sitting at 60. I think they're going to 60, man. They're just trying to trick people. Just keep on pushing down, baby. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. Just keep pushing down. Ah, damn. You saw that pop up? Shit. All right, man. Whatever, dude. Whatever, man. Whatever, dude. Whatever. What time is this? 9:45? Okay. Yeah, just keep on pushing down, boo. Just keep on pushing down. Oh, but Alfred, I mean, what got? I mean, you said that it, well, I guess let me think about how I would ask this question. You said that it kind of took a toll on your confidence. How so? Like, what do you feel that you was doing right, and what do you feel that you was doing wrong? Yeah, I know. That's that reversal time. Like, so if price gets into this area right here, I'm gonna lock it in. I'm gonna lock it in somewhere around here. That if it touch 80, if we get a run, I'm gonna lock some of this in because I already seen the orders down here. I do got that 160, 170 level on my chart. So I think eventually that's where they want to take it. And then we can possibly see like a bounce from there.
All right, just a quick update, guys. 7K in the live. I kind of wrecked my eval, but that's okay. I'll save that for next week to trade. I mean, it's not okay, but you know what I mean. It's more important in the live.
Yeah, it's more important than the live, baby. I was about to say that.
So 7K, I'm gonna call it because we're coming up. Like you said, we're approaching this demand zone. I was just kind of scalping it down, one contract, two contracts here and there.
Mm.
But yeah, I'm gonna call it, and I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna enjoy the stream, enjoy the markets. I'm gonna just be on the sidelines.
Enjoy the money, baby. Enjoy the money. Enjoy the money. I think we get this
Yes,
flush. I
sir.
think we get this flush. Come on, baby. Keep on going. We all know where you're trying to get
Definitely,
to.
yeah, definitely could flush these lows. Well, I see like serious demand on NQ approaching. So we already dipped into the demand, like the top of the demand. Serious one, I see like 200 and below. So where they could like flush it down 200, maybe past 200, sub 200, and then like buyers maybe they step in. I don't know. Yeah. At this point, or maybe it's a timing thing. Maybe they wait until what, 10 o'clock until they reverse or come step in 10 central. So I don't
Yeah.
know. We have to see.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for these sweep of these lows first because I know that's coming. Once we get that sweep of the lows, and once that, I'm gonna close these shorts. And this is what Gangway said. He says all at damn near the top. Okay, I see you. I see you, Gangway. I see you. I was like, I know Gangway's short. And then he got this a little meme. It says the bull market, and he was like, "Do I go out now? Do I go out now?" All right.
Oh, gain weight. Nice. I knew he was out there alive somewhere. Nah, you gotta talk that talk about your shorts, gang. Wait, don't just talk about the long position. Be proud of your shorts. Talk your talk like like you be talking about the longs.
Mm. Man, this shit just better keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Mm. Keep on pushing down, boo. But if ES starts to find support, I'll probably just close this contract. But I'm not gonna be scared, baby. I ain't gonna be scared. I know what to look for. I know what to look for, but I ain't gonna be scared. You gotta go
As long as you
freaking
know
Wall
what,
Street bet in this thing. He said, what?
so as long as you know what to look out for, you good.
But it'll be that one time where, all right, so that 180 level coming up. That 180 level coming up. Let me look at SPY real quick. Let me look at SPY. Mm-hmm. So it's just holding and moving stops.
okay, all that Michigan stuff came out.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not even gonna try to pretend I understand or know what any of these numbers mean for it.
Yeah, I don't do that
I'm looking
either.
at I'm looking at the financial juice. Oh, okay. The White House is saying something. Will not comment on reports of imminent Iran attack on Israel. Oh yeah, because Iran been talking. They talk about punishing Israel and all this other stuff. So that could have an effect too on the markets.
I think so too. I mean, it's kind of. Oh, my bad. Go ahead.
No, no, go ahead. Go ahead.
No, I was like, yeah. It's honestly they have this. It's. I mean, they're saying the obvious. They got to retaliate. That I mean, especially in the Middle Eastern countries where strength and weakness is actually something that they really care about. If they don't retaliate, it's going to be considered weakness, and that right there is going to. That right there just says, yeah, it's going to happen. So, come on, baby, just one more cent. There we go, baby. We 10x our money, baby. We're going to let this one run. 10x the money. Yo, I'm up $900 on the year, and I just started this shit this week. I started trading SPY this week. Yo, that's what I'm talking about, man.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Dang, there you go. 200 NQ. Wow. Bam, sub 200.
I'm gonna take some off right here. I sold, so I need to buy. I'm gonna take some off. I'm gonna take off 3. I'm gonna trail this. I'm gonna trail this. I'm gonna take off 3. I'm gonna take some off right here. Take some off.
Hold on. Let me look at this. Gain weight.
Order filled.
You did what is this? Oh, you got, damn, broski. Look at gain weight.
What are you talking about? In the Discord with some?
In the Discord, in the degenerate bets.
Degenerate bets.
I don't know if he held. Oh, I'm sure he held. This man was up 41,000.
That's our boy gain weight. He said this shit light work.
That's fire, bro.
Yeah. We got to get this man his props, man. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
That was when ES was at. Where was price at over here? ES looked like it was at 52.54, I believe. 52.54. Let me see. Let me look at where's the. Damn. Hey yo.
I might have to actually close these. It looks like I think we just found support. Yeah. This is what I'll do with these. I'll set a break even. Let me see. Actually, I don't even know how to do that. Let me do that. I don't know how to do that. I think we found support. Bracket order. So if this gets to $1, let's do 99 cents. 96 cents. If it gets to 96 and stop trigger if this gets to 54. Because this is a running contract, or I'll give it to 45. Actually, where's it at now? Dude, I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do it. I can't do that.
Just close them out.
I can't
Take
do
your
that.
profit.
I can't do that.
You just told yourself, oh man, I think we found support. You said it multiple times. Just remember that.
Okay, let me look at this. Yeah, I think we found support, dude. Shit. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me look at SPY real quick before. Let me look at SPY real quick. Ah, shit, it bounced. Damn it. And now they're buying calls. Damn it. Ah. Ugh. Shit. I think we found support. All right. All right. So so I can stop thinking about this. I'll give it, I'll set the bracket, even though I don't want to do it, even though I don't want to do it. I'll set it for 96 cents and I'll set the loss for 45. I'll give it 45. I mean, it's a half for half. I mean, even if I win, I basically 5x my money. I already took the bigger profit at 81. I 10x my money with that. Excuse me. Whatever, dude. I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna send it. I sent it. I'm not gonna mess with this no more. I ain't gonna touch it. So either I make 45 cents or I make 90 cents. Hopefully I make 90 cents.
Damn, gain weight. Did you? I'm
But
looking at ES.
go ahead.
ES got. He said in this. He said he was looking for 179.50, but we had a low on ES of 179.75. Did it miss your TP by a tick? That would be. I would have just closed it anyway. I was gonna
This is
okay.
this is our boy gain weight right here. He said that shit is like work. Like that shit like work. Professionally scaling out of his position. This is how you do it. He got a big contract size like this. Professionally scale out of that shit. Pay yourself along the way. Our boy gained weight.
Oh, he gaining weight, all right. Them pockets getting fat.
Mm-hmm. But SPY bounced that supply or demand. Yeah, I think this might be it, guys. I think this might be it. I think this might be it. We'll see. We might get a retracement. So with the ES, we may get a retracement to like 194 if it does bounce. If it does bounce, we might get a 194, 195 rejection. But if not, we can keep going down. Yeah, 195. Yeah, I think that's it. Actually, I'm gonna sell some more right here. Yeah, I'm gonna actually sell more right here. Yeah, I think so too. Oh, go ahead.
I was just an amazement. Insane market moves.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Insane market moves these past couple of days. This whole week has been crazy.
Mm-hmm. We love crazy. We love crazy.
Really one of the best weeks of trading.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I would definitely agree to that. Definitely agree. And I was kind of skeptical when I was putting my money into my SPY account. I was like, man, it's gonna take fucking forever. 3x that shit. Damn near 3x that shit in a week. Caught big moves on both sides. And yesterday when I was buying my puts, like I really had to fight my heart. My heart was telling me that this was going up, but the charts was like, nah, bro, this shit going down. And I sat there and my heart was trying to convince me like, no, this can continue to go up. I was like, heart, are you not seeing the same chart I'm seeing? Like this shit ain't going, this is not going up. This shit is going down. And so to appease my heart, I had to hedge my position. Just in case. I was like, nah, heart, this shit going down. The chart's telling me this shit going down. Your heart will sit there and lie to you and cry about it. And make you believe and make you feel bad for being right.
Yeah.
Your heart would make you feel bad for being right. You didn't listen to me. You didn't trust me. You was wrong. God damn it. But you didn't believe in me. Okay.
Yeah, I ended up getting caught up in that in the SPY options because what was it? What did we do yesterday? Oh yeah, I had bought the calls, but I had bought them too early,
Uh-huh.
and so I was like, man, damn, let me close these things. They would have been hitting yesterday. They would have been hitting. I thought we were gonna continue tanking, but nah, that's it. Obviously, we got that huge rip up.
Yeah. So that's kind of why I'm kind of pissed about mine. So my zero DTE calls, if they did that in the morning, those calls would have hit. I was only able to break even out of those calls. I was only able to break even, but because they did it later on in the day. Because I was gonna hold that shit. All that shit's going to zero, or I was gonna get out at break even or at my target. But I'm glad it happened because I got out of it at break even. But it's the fact that, man, I kind of wish it happened in the morning. That would have been another great play. I was just kind of mad about that they did that shit late in the day like that. For what? Yeah, Gameway, we appreciate you too, man. Gameway says that he appreciates everybody in the chat. We're a great group of people. We are a great group of people, man. We are. Everybody that tunes in, everybody's respectful. We share opinions with each other. Yeah, we are a great group of people. And we appreciate
That's what
all
it's all
y'all.
about, baby.
Mm-hmm. Gameway said he wanted his TP. It seems like you had this stream for too long.
By a tick though, man. I know that, man. I know the feeling. I know that feeling all too well.
Mm-hmm.
Tick. Like, bro, all you had to do was snatch that. All you had to do was snatch my order. Then you
Mm-hmm.
could have went.
You know that's too
Yeah, that's
easy.
crazy.
You know that's too easy. He says, "Yeah, Alfred. I mean, I wouldn't blame you. I would not blame you for closing your short here. I would not blame you. But just like Andrew said, they ain't do all that work to not take that low out. And I've already saw the orders at 60. So 60 is right there. We take that low out, I'll flip long. I'm flipping long for sure here. For sure, I'm flipping long. Yeah, it's just right underneath these lows too. Now, when I flip long, I don't think that this takes out these highs. I don't think we do that. But I think that
Not,
he said what?
definitely not today.
Nah. I think this is being done in preparation for earnings next week, like I said. They trying to get them cheap prices for earnings next week. And we might trade in a big range. And then NVIDIA is going to take out all these stops and pump the market up.
Look at that trend. We're in a downward trend now.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
With that 5,000 ticks, what's the time equivalent of that? Like
I'm pretty sure
a
it's like a
couple hours
weekly or possibly.
or weekly?
Possibly. Actually, you know what? Yeah, maybe the 5K is probably like maybe equivalent to the 4 hour, maybe, or not equivalent. I don't want to use that word. It'll look similar. It'll look similar because obviously tick and time charts are two different things. But honestly, once I switch from time charts, I can't go back. I can't even look at a time chart and be like, yeah, okay, yeah. Because I think a 1,000 tick chart is similar to the 1 second, chart. Well, just imagine traded on 1 second.
Alfred, where are you short from though? Oh yeah, that might have been the clue right there.
Oh,
Maybe.
said 284. Let's look at the NQ chart real quick. I think NQ can get a pump to like 47 if they hold it here. The bears have to be strong here. They have to be
You
strong.
was at 284. You didn't want your 84. That would not. That'd have been like 90 something points.
He wanted his target.
Points.
He wanted his target.
y'all hanging out on this channel too. Oh, my target. Target or nothing. Hey, I even cut mine. I could have had. I mean, coulda, woulda, shoulda. Could have had my 100-point target. Shoot, if I held, I could have had 200 points, 200 plus points. Oh, 169. I'll take 90 points off the table, though. I took 60. And then just reposition. 169. Oh, you know what? That's the bottom of this demand zone I got on my trading view chart for that. Yep. Yesterday we had a spike down there. Price shot all the way down.
169. Yeah. I would front run the hell out of that.
Yeah, for sure.
Just the NQ. I would get out at 85, 70,
yeah,
80, 180.
15-minute candle opened up at 212 and slid all the way down to 169 yesterday before getting bought all the way back up. All the way back up. Then ran another 34 points after that in 15 minutes. So in an hour, it literally from that 169, it made like 70 plus points in an hour. Or no, in 30 minutes, my bad, I'm tripping. In 30 minutes, 70 points.
SPY is not at 515. No, it's not. SPY is not at 515. This is not working. SPY is not at now 515. I was wondering, I was like, yo, why is this thing? I was like, why is this thing doing that? Like, why is this not at 515? I'm $2 away from this shit being in the money. Nah, you gotta see what happens with this. You gotta see what happens with this. Where's how do I do this? Now we gotta see what happens, baby. We gotta see what happens. This shit might go in the money. So good thing I closed out my 508s. I mean, I would have had a little bit of money. A little bit, but shit. SPY, what the hell are you doing? Trying to pump? Man, run these lows, man. Once we get a run of them lows, I'll probably close the position. I don't trust. I think that's where we bounce. And now they're starting to look at orders all the way at 135. 135 on ES. I don't know about that. 135 on ES.
Yeah, that's
wild. Not today. That shit can't happen today.
You get that if you find out Iran strikes Israel or something.
Oh
They
yeah,
just
yeah.
couldn't get back.
Well, that's probably like the only thing that would happen.
That would be like a super catalyst.
Mhm.
Because they made some comments about the U.S. too. I can't remember what they said, but they was like somewhere along the lines of, "Oh, you guys are just as guilty," or some kind of mess. I'm like, man, come on,
Shit, I want that
try
smoke. You
it,
find out.
try it, right? You will find out.
Find out.
All right, yo. So for those of y'all sitting in my stream, I just had the charts up, but I'm about to head over to Sherm stream. I'm already in the chat over there. I pinned his stream in my chat as always. Y'all head on over there to continue to do analysis and conversation. And yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I ended up almost getting close to blowing these evals, but I made up for it in the live account, so be straight. But all right, y'all, have a good weekend. I'm gonna head on over to Sherm's. Thanks for the support as always, and catch y'all next week. Peace.
Wow. Look at freaking gold. Like, look at gold. Like, we trading the wrong thing over here. We trading the wrong thing apparently.
What you mean? Is gold super pumping?
I mean, the forex side of gold. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Let's look at the dollar.
Oh,
Because
damn, bro.
that's crazy. Well, that's crazy. Both the dollar and gold is up. Both the dollar and gold is up. That's interesting.
Shoot, that's why NQ down. Dollar up, strong dollar. Freaking.
Gold futures though.
Where's
Gold futures is still going up though. That's still good for gold futures.
Yeah, I'm looking at spot gold is up like 42 points right now. Gold futures up 58. Yeah. Yeah, gold futures is up 2% versus 1% on spot gold.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think this is
definitely. CL, your girl. Did you peek at CL?
damn.
Damn.
Let's see, man. Because I had a
CL
limit,
shot
and I
up
know
to
she
80.
ain't touched that shit. Damn. I know she ain't touch it. Maybe she did. Maybe she did. Maybe she did. Hold on, guys. Maybe she did. Hold on.
Oh, God. Hey, yo. Wild. I'll be looking at CL in the morning, but I just be like, man, I don't want to wait all day with slow moving. At least with NQ, you get fast movements.
Damn. Nah, she didn't. I was a dollar off.
Dang.
I was a dollar off. I got in at
Oh,
84.50, 84, no, 83.54, bounced at 83.54. So I was literally a whole dollar off. A whole dollar
dang.
off. Yeah, shit sucks, man. Yeah, I'm not gonna. So with one of my XFAs, I just set a limit in CL and just see if it hits or not, honestly. Because if I'm not gonna monitor it, I'm not gonna. CL is the only instrument I trust to not monitor. Because I mean, 27 points. Like, dude, I'm wrong at 27 points, and that's only a $200 loss. So She's the only one I
Yeah,
trust.
because she's so slow. But
Uh-huh.
she can get the NQ tendencies though.
Yeah, she can. But at least when she hits my stop, there ain't gonna be no slippage or nothing. It's like, okay, I lost $270. Let's look for the next trade. Versus all that damn slippage, and you down $1,000. It's good when you're on the opposite side of that shit, but it's bad when it's like, no, like motherfucker. So yeah, so I was in Top Steps
Yeah.
Forum. All right, go ahead. Finish your thought real quick.
Oh, no, I'm good. I'm just listening to you.
So I was in Top Step Forum, and one of the live traders says, yeah, they got horrible fills. I mean, we all know that. Smith, you've been live about 3 times with Top Step. And how were the fills on the
Yep.
live side?
Um. Well, I was trading Trade of Eight. I mean, I didn't really notice a difference. Actually, I do notice a difference in trading my own, personal funds versus these simulated. Like, oh damn, NQ's pumping. Hold on, this is emergency. NQ's pumping. But yeah, it's a little different. Just a little different. Like it's hard to explain. But just visually looking at it, it's a little different. Like you'll get your orders snatched. Like let's say if you put a trail, because I use trail and stops quite
Mm-hmm.
often,
Mm-hmm.
and I notice when I put my trail, maybe I'll give it a few points above, or sometimes even 10, 15 points, and then she'll go and just snatch my stop and then continue down. So that's why sometimes y'all see me take the trail off and then put it back on and then take it off because she's playing around. I'm like, okay, I don't want you, I don't want you to stop me out, but all right.
Yeah, but you don't want to lose money either. I mean, yeah, trading live is. I
Right.
mean, I see people trade live, and that psychology is real. Like, I mean, it's almost beautiful to kind of see the psychology of everything. It's like, well, it's a live account. It's your money. If you lose it, I mean, you don't get it back. You don't get to start over. And just watching people trade, it's like, yeah, I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna take it. It's just like you just know that it's just the pressure and that inner voice saying, take your damn profits. Take it. Take it. It's right there.
Yeah,
Take it. There's only a few ticks. Take it. Take it.
exactly.
Order
Um,
filled.
like I was fighting tooth and nail to, because you know how I feel about holding and then leaving profits or giving up profits. Like this morning, because I was telling the chat earlier, I was looking at all these different levels. I was like, okay, I'm analyzing Bookmap like to the T, and then I'm also looking at King Push chart. Like, okay, this says this chart says okay, maybe look out for this area down here at 407. And I'm talking about when price was obviously back in the 400s where I was short at.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, okay, 407, they may come in. And I was just looking at all different types of levels, the 420 area, the 430. I was like, okay, they could probably come in. And they did. They came in, they tried to push it up from 430, but they couldn't break 430. And I was like, okay. It was almost like a checklist that I was kind of going through. I'm like, okay, we made it past that point. All right, next level. What's the next level down that they could
Mm-hmm.
possibly take it to? And then, like I said, Bookmap showed all these orders at 350 back um, at 350 back, early in the morning when I was looking at it. So I was like, okay, maybe the objective would be to take it there and take out that 350 level. But I'm like, we got to focus on what's up above first and knock all that out. So we hit the, I was looking at 375, 380. as it kept pushing down. So we hit the 9 EMA on the King push chart. We broke through VWAP. We even crashed through the 21. So I was like, okay, we're good. We're good here. But, you know, I ended up getting out, I think, in the 390s. So I was like, yeah, okay. Leave the psychology portion, leaving all this this potential money, because it ain't yours until you close it.
Mm-hmm.
EQ would bounce back like 20, 30 points on you in a heartbeat for a pullback just to go lower. So I was like, I ain't trying to take all that. Let me just get out. And then from there, when I caught that big move, I've just been scalping short ever since.
Mm-hmm.
That was my playbook.
We got Fed speakers coming up in about in 30 minutes.
Got some Fed speakers.
Hopefully that guy comes back out, that non-voting member, and say that same stupid shit he said last time.
Bro, if I could punch him square in his face. How you a non-voting member with that kind of pull? And I remember I sent you that Twitter. Somebody snapped a screenshot of the exact time he said it. And that's what that big old red dildo candle, as you like to say. I was like, ain't no freaking way. But I should have closed my positions. That's my fault for not closing. See, trying to be greedy. My calls.
Oh, I mean, I told you to close them, man. But at the end of the day,
You did. Yep, you did. I was holding out. What was I holding out for? Like 524, I think.
no, I think you said 525, but I was like, dude, it ain't getting to 525. I think the most we get is 24, just based on how the chart was structured. I was like, with the way it came back up, I was like, man, there ain't no way that they're going to try to get it past that. Or if they do, it would have to be some big news, like that guy probably saying, yeah, we will have rate cuts, and that would have sent it. Or that would have sent it, yeah.
Yeah, no, it was. I'm looking at it now. I'm looking back. Wait, no, that wasn't the day. When was that day? When did he come out and say that?
It was like a Thursday or Friday or something like that. It was sometime last week.
Last week. Was it? Hold on.
Or was it maybe
I am. Yeah, it was last Thursday. Yeah, yep. And I'm looking at it. I was waiting for it to cross into 520 because we never got to 524. We got to 6.
Yeah. Yeah, I was like, yo, the way this shit's set up, I was like, they ain't going about that. They're gonna protect their orders. Like, they'll let a retracement happen, but they ain't gonna let their whole orders go off. Like, nah.
Yeah, and the crazy thing is, I even drew the freaking supply zone on here, and I just added that Lux algo, and it's the same area that I drew. I was like, well, technical analysis for the win. Me not listening to it.
Technical analysis will always win. It's your heart that be saying, nah, we can defeat technical analysis.
My heart was definitely broken that day. I was like, what, that idiot? And then they posted him in Wall Street Bets. I need to post a location, the Addy. Not that dude, no. Oh, non-voting member.
Bastard.
Go say that dumb stuff. Kill my calls.
I wish I had my damn SPY account that week, because man, all the call outs I was hitting. I mean that's what inspired me to start doing it. I was like, man, all of the money call outs. Yeah, my account would have been quadrupled at that point because I was just hitting them. Gameway, yeah, we got news in the next 30 minutes. We got Fed speakers coming out, which I think is gonna possibly be the last leg down. I mean, you have, let's count how many legs we're down. So I don't, this is going to be our last leg though. There is no way that they're going to let this shit continue to go down. We got one leg. Oh, crap. We got two legs. This is our third leg. This actually might be it. But if we got one more leg, and look how that shit lines up to that with that area. Look how that shit lines up, yo. Technical analysis for the win. I think we get one more leg down. One more. I mean, they can't let all the Bears win.
And NQ up like almost 50 points right now from the bottom.
You see?
Close to
Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely a bottoming pattern for the NQ. This is why we trade her, because she'll do this. She'll get her two-legged pullback into support. Let me draw this out. She'll get her two-legged pullback. She'll get into support, and then she will send. But I'm thinking she gets possibly, well, actually, let me do this. I think she'll get possibly in this area right here, possibly 280. But she has to break this area first. If she can break through this area, which I think she can probably see 280 for sure. ES is doing the damn same thing. It looks like it's about to pop up. Wait. Because, I mean, we are in a strong area of demand, so it's not a surprise. It's not a surprise. Look at all this demand right here. Look at all these orders. There's people in this area. There's traders in this area. So this bounce is not a surprise to me. Now, if they fully recover, that would be a surprise to me. That would be a surprise. That would surprise me. I don't think we get a full recovery, at least on the ES. I'm thinking if the Bears don't hold it off right here, at this area right here, I doubt they take out this candle. I doubt they take it to 218. I mean, they could get it to 205 probably. Let me put this up to 210. They could possibly get it to 205, 204. But then on Bookmap, the Bears got, or the Bulls got, they were cut off from them because right here on Bookmap is just solid red. Solid red on the Bookmap. But yeah, kind of going back to what you said earlier. I mean, yeah, in a live account, just pay yourself. But if you're gonna leave a runner just to run, I know leaving a runner is hard because, I mean, you kind of still think it's your money. That's why leaving a runner is hard. It's like, man, this one contract was up $200 or $300 and I let it come back. But every time we take our profits and we're not happy where we took profits at, I feel that, at least with me, the reason why I will always hold my until target is because I know logically where it can go. But then we also got to remember that your heart is trading too. So you got to appease your heart, you got to appease your ego, you got to appease a lot of systems within you. And what's the first thing that people always say when they don't reach the target and it gets there? It's like, shit, I should have held on. I should have traded to target.
You catch me say that all the time. I said it this morning. I'm like, damn.
I should have held.
Just waited. I should have just waited one more candle. Could have got like 30 extra points.
But shit always happens.
At the end of the day, I just feel like yeah, you could have held, but what if it would have went against you?
And then that's why I was like, take some off. Take some off. Leave runners. Yeah, leave runners. You don't have to take the whole position off.
Yeah.
Yeah, pay yourself. Go ahead.
For that hard work of actually locating a good spot to get in at and waiting for your patience too.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I was in that mess for hours, like almost 3 hours. I was like, oh yeah, I'm paying myself.
You gotta pay yourself after that. You gotta pay yourself. That's
I'm leaving here with something.
that's why scaling out is important. I mean, honestly, as I continue to learn to trade, just like with gain weight and his screenshot in the Discord, I mean, the scaling out thing makes sense. You're paying yourself, but at the same time, you're still in the trade. You don't have to try to find a new entry to get in and hope that it works. I mean, you're in at a good spot. You took some partials off, and you got some runners. So even if it does come back, at least with your heart, at least all your heart wants to do is try. If it doesn't really care if it's wrong or right. The only thing it cares about is if you tried or if you didn't try. That's it. Your ego hurts because you was wrong. Your heart just wants you to try. So with how I appease my ego, I can scale out. At least I paid myself. But with my heart, we can keep going. This shit can keep going. And then once I get my target, all my systems are okay. I'm not battling myself like, oh shit, I should have did this, I should have did that. I'm happy. That was a great fucking trade. That was good. That was a good trade.
Yeah. Yeah, like I said, my longest trade time was 2.5 hours.
Shit, I already told you.
2.5 hours.
I was in this shit all night.
You were. And that's crazy. I looked at the ES chart when you said you were in at like 247. I think it only got to what, like 248?
Mm-hmm.
Something like that. It only took a point and drawdown.
Yep.
Oh, dang.
Soon as that shit opened, I just waited for like a couple of seconds, saw it tap into that area, and I was like, yeah, this shit about to go down. I put my stop underneath the candle as it pumped, and I watched that shit all night. I ain't gonna lie. Like, that shit didn't even move, and I was so invested in the chart.
Oh, that's funny.
The same way that the ES is moving right now, that's the same shit it did last night.
Yeah. This looks like it could push down another leg, though. Looking at the structure and the patterns,
Mm-hmm.
I'm on the ES chart. We got first big drop, pullback. That's 1. Second big drop, 2. Pullback. Third big drop, 3. This is the third pullback. If we get one more big drop, yo,
Mm-hmm.
RIP bulls. if they take this one more, they bust through this demand zone here, yo, RIP.
Yeah, for sure. I'm looking at the NQ chart, and it's looking like it can push up another 20 points to 280, possibly 290, but I don't think it gets above this candle at 309. I don't think it gets above 309. I think the the bears are gonna come in around that 300 level on the NQ.
Whoa.
Did it just shoot up to 80? Okay, so let's see what she does. See what she does.
It shoot up to 80. That was crazy. It was quick too.
Yeah, it was, man. That's how you know that's a stop run. That's a stop run. All right, so let's see. 202. I think it's going to line up. I'm actually going to scale into this. I'm going to scale into this. And I'll just take a loss if it comes to it. Now, yeah, I'll just take the loss if it comes to it. It comes to it. They got some heat at 215. I don't know, they got some heat up here. Actually, let me do this instead then.
Oh, I'm in the I just switched over to the sell. Look like it could be a.
She keeps calling you back, huh?
Well, I just test some things out, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Just to see, because that was an 80 point, actually higher, more than 80 points pullback on NQ. We dropped in an hour. So the previous hour we dropped 140 points, and then pumped up over. I think it might have been 90.
Hmm.
Let me see.
All right. I think this shit's setting up the drop. You got 30 minutes to the Fed speaker coming out. So it's looking like both instruments are setting up for a short.
Yep, over 90 points pull back
Mm-hmm.
off that 140 point drop. Crazy. But I'll be back. I'm about to go grab some food real quick.
Hey, remember we got that meeting in an hour. So yeah, we're gonna cut the stream early today or
Okay.
earlier. Me and Smith got a meeting in like 11:30ish. So we're gonna probably cut the stream around, or I'm gonna cut it around like 11:15ish.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
All right.
All right, I'll be back.
But yeah, so remember when I told you that the my post went viral on Twitter? So I had some. Well, I spoke about that already. I had somebody from the ad department come at or email me and ask if who do I want to reach out to on Twitter, and let's have a conversation and see if they can help. I mean, I don't expect too much. I mean, I'm already in this how do I want to say it? So I'm kind of already in this environment. I kind of understand what's going on. That's why I don't necessarily expect too much. I don't believe that this person has like a major affiliate or affiliation with X. I feel this is probably like a third party recruiter. I'm pretty sure that's who this person is, but I want to see what he says. I want to see if they actually say something that's going to be useful for the channel, to where we can reach out to more people. We can get our brand out there, our styles of trading out there, and we can get all that ICT crap out of here and actually show people how to really trade. And we just want to expand our reach because this content is, I mean, it's gold. It's pure gold, man. It is pure gold. It can help a lot of people. And so we're going to have this meeting with him. We're going to see what he says. I don't expect too much, but I want to be surprised. I want to be surprised. And then my other ES, it didn't do as well as the other one, but it got like 100K views on that post. The ES that we took on the stream, that short that we took on it, or what's that pump? It was one of those big moves where we got like 20 or 30 points on the ES. I posted that on Twitter. I got like 100K views. That's why I was like, I don't care about the NQ. I only care about the ES. So hopefully we can be surprised. Hopefully this guy can surprise us. Hopefully he can actually come up with some strategies, some things, some tips on how we can reach more people, reach more traders, and we can actually grow this community and have more opinions in the chat. We can have more risk managers in the chat, baby. Nah, if you put me and ICT on the same chart, we all know who'll make more money. Shit, 5K, that's easy. That's light work for me, baby. That's light work. 10K, light work, baby. This man said that he was going to join the Robbins Cup. I don't know if he did or not. I think I only saw one post, and he was boasting about making $200 fucking dollars. Like, bro, that's drawdown. The fuck you talking about? $200. And then turn around and say that the guy that's on top right now uses his stuff. Like, dude, that's supposed to be you up there on top. Not nobody else using your crap. That's supposed to be you, bro. I mean, we came up in the era of Furu, so like I said, I'm not hating his body of work. I really don't even know who this person is personally. It's just that he just screams a furu, and that's my thing. Because I paid a lot of money and showed it a lot of other people. We paid out a lot of people that we trusted, and we fell. I mean, this was before all the tricks was exposed. We thought these people actually knew what the hell they were doing. We spent a lot of our hard-earned dollars to learn how to trade, and fast forward, it was all a scam. I mean, some people made money, but most people, they lost their money. Like the stuff that I learned from all these Furu courses, I can say that I took in some bits and pieces from a lot of them, but a lot of it was just me just like, damn it, I got to figure this shit out myself. I got to do it myself. I got to figure it out myself because I didn't learn nothing from these courses. Now, the only one that I will say that was decent was, what's that guy's name? Carmine. The supply and demand, I will say that was a very decent course. I'm actually glad I brought that course. I don't use that style of trading, but that was a great course. Yeah, Carmine, yeah. Says, do I have something? No, I'm actually going to, that's actually a goal. That's actually something I'm going to try to have finished this month. I should have it done this month. If not this month, next month. Because it's not just me. I have to, the female that I'm going to record the series with, we just got to be on the same schedule. So I'm gonna try to do it next week. But if we can't do it next week, like I said, I'll start recording them, and we'll go from there. I mean, I do have a so on the 100 subscriber special, I did get a lowdown. I mean, you can watch that video. There's a lot of nuggets in that video. If you want to watch that, I would actually recommend watching that. You'll get more value out of that video than anything that you pay for. At least that's my opinion. But yeah, no hate on ICT. He just gives off furu vibes, and that's where my problem lies. It's just one of those furus that don't know how to really do what they're teaching. I mean, it's just one thing if you're just saying, okay, I don't know how to trade, but I can understand the mechanics and I'm teaching you. But just to say, yeah, I make millions of dollars trading and blah blah blah, and it's all a lie. Yeah, yeah. Not like our boy Gain Weight though. He showed the proof. Gain Weight said he out here, he really big out here. He said 40K, that's a light day for him. That's a light day for Gain Weight. Mm. All right, so we got 15 more minutes until the Fed starts speaking. Yeah, like I said, I mean, I think he's a good teacher. Like I said, I'm not attacking that man's body of work. I've watched his stuff. I've learned from his videos. I've learned from it. Like I said, the stuff that I got was like, okay, before watching his stuff, I didn't know, or not necessarily didn't know, but I didn't understand the full picture. I thought it was just a bunch of people trading. Because that's how I just imagine myself as everybody else. We're just trading. We're getting into areas where you think people will buy and hope that that shit works. But that's not how the market works. It's these institutions. And until I understood that everything was institutional and that retail is just along for the ride to be liquidity, that's what put everything into perspective for me. I was like, that makes so much sense. Because if regular guys are trading and making money, think about these institutions with trillions and billions and trillions of dollars. You think that they're putting their money in the market and not making sure things aren't structured? And that's what I've taken from his courses. So his teachings, I agree with. But him being saying that he does this and that he's that and being a furu, that's my thing with him. He says he introduces a lot of concepts I've never seen before. Then I went to find the actual sources of them. Yep. Yeah, I like I don't watch I didn't watch none of his new stuff. He rambles too much in this in the new stuff. I never went past the 2016, 2017 stuff because I mean once you first start off, everything is good. You want to make sure everything is good. You don't ramble off. You want to make everything is perfect. But obviously, as you get comfortable, teachers tend to throw in unnecessary crap, and that's exactly what he does. He just rambles off. So I just stopped. So after the 2016 stuff, I just stopped watching it. He just rambles too damn much. Yeah, I agree. I agree. That's what me and Smith, man. Shit, we should be at the ICT level, man. Shit. Shit, me and Smith come on this on these streams every day and do the same shit every day. Inverse the Sherm, find out. Inverse the Sherm and find out. That shit means something. You inverse ICT, you'll say, "Oh, they're hurting my stops." Inverse Sherm, you'll have a bad day. But yeah, me and Smith, man, it's like, dude, who else is doing the stuff that we do on a daily basis, man? Who else does this? Yeah, so they got to hold this level off. If this thing squeezes up, yeah, this is done. The Bears have to hold this off. They have to hold it off. Yeah. Yeah, 40K is an average Thursday. Yeah, that's light work for game weight. Game weight out here doing that shit for real. And honestly, it's like sometimes I think like how a life would be if I actually took this route and actually became a real prop firm trader and actually had the capital to trade. And shit, if I can swing that shit overnight, my target's gonna get hit. ES, yo, that's so crazy that you move like this, ES. Like that's just crazy. But the NQ does look like it's about to set up. Actually, I'm gonna probably take this. Actually, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take this.
Order filled.
And put it above this high right here. I haven't looked at an NQ chart real quick, so let me look at this before for a good target. Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm thinking we can get here. Yeah, we can get here. We can get here. We can get here. Yeah, we can get it. All right, Fed. Are you trading minis in Nasdaq or in ES? I'm thinking I might actually do that. Trading like as crazy as it sounds, trading minis with ES, in my opinion, is way better. I feel like you're kind of I feel like with the micros, you're kind of wasting the potential with ES. I mean, it doesn't went back and forth. You can have a small stop loss. You can lose $200 to $300 on a trade. It's like if it hits your stop, it's not that bad, especially if you get in at a good entry. And the ES is not the NQ. She does not overshoot. She does not overshoot. Mm. All right. Looks like they're selling off ahead of this ahead of the Fed, but we all know when the Fed gets done speaking, they pump it. So I'm thinking that they push it down, and then when the Fed they get done speaking or whatever, and then we're gonna see a short squeeze up. I don't think we're gonna get like above. I don't think we're gonna get above this highs, but I think we're gonna get a short squeeze up. Damn, I lost 40 cents in these. I lost $50 with this, but it's a runner. It's only one contract. I scaled out. I just want to see where this will be at towards the end of the day. Oh, so you went long? Are you long now or you talking about right here? Yeah, NQ has a way of making you think that your idea is wrong. She has a way of making you feel that way. I say you're flat now. Shit, at this point, that shit gonna be worthless or come on, Fed, finish this rotation off. Say something stupid. Say that we ain't cutting rates this year and y'all have to get the fuck over that. Say that so we can get this drop. It says Iran warns US to stay out of fight with Israel or face attacks on troops. It says Iran sent a message to Biden administration through several Arab countries earlier this week. If the US gets involved in the fighting between Israel and Iran, US forces in the region will be attacked. That's not good. That's not good. Hmm. That's not good. All right. I'm still positive on that contract, though. I think it can go in the money or close to it today. I'm thinking it can. Mm. I do agree too. I agree, Andrew. I agree. That's what I'm waiting for Top Step X to do that micro to mini equivalent before I actually start trading my XFAs in this. Um, I honestly prefer to trade micros because it's a lot more room for error. Like, look at all this. I have 30 points of error in this move, and all I lose is $220 if I'm wrong. I'm comfortable with that. If I'm wrong, I only lose $220 versus being forced to only trade micros. That's almost daily loss limit right here. That's almost daily loss limit. All right, let's see what they do. They might try ES next week. Yeah, Alfred. I mean, you've already seen me. You already see me yawning and being bored because the NQ made this whole move. The NQ made this whole move. I mean, the ES did it too. It did it too, but the ES is definitely more technical. It does fit well more of my technical analysis or my price action trading. Because I know that she doesn't overshoot, I'm not going to be surprised by anything. I can have a stop. Like if I were to, if I'm taking this trade, a good 3 point stop. 3 point stop. I mean, if you're selling at resistance, a good 3 to 5 points. If it hits your stop, that means you were wrong. She don't overshoot. Yeah. Especially with that trailing drawdown. Especially with the trailing drawdown with ES. You don't have to worry about. I mean, I guess you still have to worry about it, but not as bad with the NQ. The NQ would just completely retrace for no damn reason, just to go right back and hit your target. And it'd be for no reason. It's like, why'd you do that? Because I wanted to. I wanted to. That's why. Yeah. And I feel more confident copy trading with the ES. So all the trades that y'all see me take, like when I'm up 5K, 6K, or whatever, I'm copy trading that across like 3 accounts. Yeah, the stupid games with NQ, the game she played for no reason, just because she felt like it. But it's not random. All right, let's see. The feds are actually. Let's see if we can actually. Oh, they don't got nothing. They don't got their speeches broadcasting for some reason. Hmm. Yeah, they don't got nothing. Since I found it better to just hold for the original stock versus getting my stock, that's what starts doing. Yeah, yeah, I do the same thing too. There's no point holding my stop or moving it and trailing it and stuff like that. There's no point. I mean, as long as you got a conservative target, it'll hit your target first, especially with ES. This Gangway said something in the Discord. What did he say? He says, question for the chat. So I want to see how much I can run up in payouts. So I decided to get an Apex overall. Bought these 5 evals, but want 10. Should I start trading them now? Is Apex hard to get payouts? So from what I've heard, Apex is actually really good at paying out. And of course, Gangway got his 3K. That shit light work for Gangway. That's light work. And he got the 50Ks too. That's light work. Apex is really good at paying out. I have yet to hear a horror story with Apex. I've yet to hear one. Yeah, they pay. I've yet to hear a horror story with Apex. You would think they'll be the main one trying to cheat people because they cheat you up front and then they's like, oh yeah, I guess you pass. I guess you pass. Yeah, you can have your payout. I guess you passed. You talk about going to the mountain or the valley of death. That's Apex, yo. That trailing drawdown. Yeah, 3K and shit, man. Yeah, I'm starting to see a lot of people just do that strategy where they get $200 a day. They trade it across micros, 20 accounts, micros, get $200 a day. And by the time when it's time for payout, they're getting 20 to 30, 40K payouts. I see a lot of people implement that strategy. I mean, it works. I mean, you got 20 accounts. You're trading micros. You're probably trading 1 to 2 micros, putting on a position, make your $200 to $300 a day, and be done. Gamble in another account. Yeah, me too, Alfred. That trailing drawdown is for the birds. I want my target, baby. Yep. Yeah, like, dude, it's a good deal. Like, if I got past, like, so those 20K accounts that I have, if I got past the trailing drawdown, that's $7,500 a drawdown. $7,500 a drawdown. Shoot. I thought I traded 30 contracts before. Shoot, wait, let me hold them 30 contracts without worrying about trailing drawdown. Let Apex do another 90% deal. I'm gonna make sure I get it. Shit, I see YOLO Sherm. 30 contracts to target, baby. Let's go. 30 contracts to target. No, they're gonna ban game weight. And it's like, who the hell is this guy making all this damn money? They ain't try to have another open mic trader situation where they have to pay that guy out $1 million, 1.2 or $3 million in a payout. Yeah, they will ban your ass. It's like, nah. But they seen the screenshots game weight. They was like, nah, we gotta ban this guy. Yeah, 41K. And that's a light day for him? Oh, hell no. And you trying to trade 20 accounts? Nah. No. No. Yo, Gangway trying to take out Apex. This man must be stopped. They must stop gaining weight. He must be stopped. You trying to take him out. So Man Moxie said that they're getting stricter with news and consistency rule. So Apex is getting stricter, huh? Yeah, dude. If Apex, if gain weight is getting those 40K payouts between 20 accounts, they're gonna just like, nah, bro. We can't, nah, bro, nah. So it's like, nah, bro. Like, you gotta find another way. You gotta find another damn prop firm. We can't afford this. 40. So let's say 40K across 20 accounts. Let's do some math. Across 20, and they only charge him $90, $90 subscription each month. Yeah, nah. You talking about 800K a month. 800K a month. You make 40K in just 30 accounts. 800K a month. Yeah, 800 freaking K, yo. Yeah. Apex was like, yeah, nah. 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 Like, anyway, he must be stopped. He's trying to take Apex out. Okay. So I'm in two short positions right now. I'm in one on NQ. I had to take a hit off her real quick. I saw something set up, so I took it. Saw it set up, so I took it. Pay him for the strategy. Yep. All right, guys. We'll stay on for the next 5 minutes. Oh, crap. I forgot. I totally forgot. Totally forgot. Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably set an alarm. I'm gonna have to set an alarm from now on. Probably next week I'll set an alarm. I totally forgot about my meeting. You got three different strategies, Alfred? Keep on selling it, baby. Keep on selling. Keep on selling. Keep on selling. De-risk. And this shit got all the way up to, I mean, kind of figured that would happen. I mean, I guess they need to go up to go down. Yeah, I think we might be touching 511 today. Yeah, let me look at these real quick. They lost so much value. Half the day. You say like, nah, shit, you let me trade it on Apex, you're gonna have to, shit, you better reset the account. I blow Apex accounts. You already know I don't take the profits. That shit will come right back on me. I'll blow the account. Hey, don't take the profits. Now, if I go YOLO Sherm, then yeah. Once Apex does that 90% off again, I'm gonna give me a couple of 20Ks or 300Ks, and we're just gonna YOLO those damn things. We're not even gonna try to trade them professionally. We're gonna YOLO them things. See, that's the only way to trade this. Yeah, Brandon will. Brandon is the guy that you want. He'll take the profits. I kind of like 2 more minutes. I kind of want to see how this ends, but maybe we should have. All right, let's see. Oh, so Moxie posted something in the Discord. Says payment request denied. Apex Trainer NQ.
YouTube, what is up? You see the headline quick. You could see this is 1,000, 6,000, 3,000, 6,000. But apparently this day, after these 2 days somehow, and then this down day of 19,500. So I traded lightly on these days here, this week's Monday and Tuesday. So I requested payment, but apparently it was still above the 30%. I don't know. Whatever. It's my fault. But what does that do for us for 46, 57, and 48%? So I need to make more to get the request approved. So the 57% of the 2,600 is 1,482. So I made at least 1,482 in this account here, which was denied. And this is the account in my last video that I was worried about, that account right here that we're talking about. You could see that I traded very small, $232.37. I was just trying to get the days in. So I'm going to count this Friday as a flip day because it's such tiny, but it was whatever. But yeah, we're going to, I added some evals here. These evals are on day 2. We're sitting roughly at, this lowest one is $1,327. This highest one is $1,542. So we'll just call it, I'm between $1,300 and $1,500 on these 6 evals. I added 6 more evals. I have the 9 PAs, so that's over the 20, but we can't trade or activate the 20 until, we wouldn't be able to get a payout until the 15th to the 20th of April with these evals, because they're not going to have enough trading days in this payout window. PAs that I'm able to get a payout request on the night of April 1st after the market closes and Apex updates their website. So I'm going to do what I've been trying to do, is get all these accounts on the same day. So either April 4th or April 5th, I will request the payout for all 9 accounts, and hopefully that's 18,000, providing I needed more towards.
That's crazy. Well, Yeah. It's like they're getting strict. It's like they're getting strict. It's like they're getting strict. I bet it's. Yeah, I think they're taking these lows out. I mean, either they find support here or they taking these lows out. But all right, guys. At the end of the stream here. Says Alfred says he only messes with Top Step, MFF, and ETF. Yeah. Well, I don't know about ETF. MFF. Like I said, I kind of hate the fact that they've cheated traders in the past, but I'm guessing on the future side they haven't done so far. At least it has not been reported. But I do like the fact that I can trade with NinjaTrader with them. I do like that. So, and there's no minimum trading days. But on the payout side, you have to wait 14 days to get paid out. So, which is kind of good. At least for 14 days, you can kind of just focus on trading. You don't have to worry about the payout. Camera says,
All right. My bad. I just came back. What did I miss?
"Oh no, we was Gang Wei talking about he about to take out Apex. He about to take Apex out.
Oh shoot!
He already passed
Okay, I
about his account. You seen in the Discord?
Yeah, I'm reading it now.
Yeah, that man taking out Discord, yo. Talk about like if he made 40K in 20 accounts, this man would make 800K a month. Oh shit! Oh! My shit got filled, baby. Hold on, did it get filled? Oh shit! 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 Ah crap! Hold on, what happened? Ah shit! Come on, baby. Let's go into money, baby. Let's go into money. Let's go into money. Yo, that guy gonna probably have to wait for a few seconds. Let's go into money, baby.
Is it coming up here at 11:30?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. In
shoot.
5 minutes, yeah, we're gonna have to cut the stream. Actually, in 3 minutes, I guess it gives me time to get to the desk. Let me see. I will take off this. I'll take this. I'll take that off.
Order filled.
So, if y'all was in an NQ trade with me, I'm not gonna play with NQ. Trigger trades for no damn reason. All right. So, keep going into money, baby. Run them stops. Just keep going into money. Okay. Dump it. Damn, Cameron. Yo, that's unfortunate to hear, man. Damn. Damn, Cameron. That's
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, you talk about gain weight. Yeah, you see that? Trying to take, hey, you trying to take Apex out of business. That man must be stopped. But all right, guys, me and Smith, we got this meeting. We'll tell you about it on Monday. Hopefully, I can be surprised. Hopefully, I want to be surprised by this meeting. I want to be, but I'm expecting what I'm expecting. So, all right, guys, have a good weekend. Peace out.
Sir, stay safe. Have a good weekend. Stay green.
Stay green, baby. Stay green.